Ever wondered what a diesel particulate filter system is and why truck owners talk about it so much? Well, it's time to clear the air, quite literally. The diesel particulate filter system, or DPF as it's commonly known, plays a pivotal role in reducing the emission of soot from diesel trucks. You see, when diesel fuel burns, it creates soot, tiny particles that can be harmful to both the environment and human health. The DPF is an environmental safeguard, trapping this soot and preventing it from being released into the atmosphere. However, like any system, it's not without its quirks. Over time, the DPF can become clogged with these particulates, potentially leading to performance issues in trucks. This is when truck owners start considering a DPF delete or bypass. So what happens when you decide to bypass or delete this system? That's what we're delving into next. Now that we understand the role of the diesel particulate filter system, let's dive into the DPF delete procedure. First and foremost, it's essential to note that the DPF delete procedure is a complex process that requires a certain level of mechanical proficiency. This isn't a backyard DIY project, it's a task best left to professional technicians who have the expertise to handle the intricate aspects of this procedure. The initial phase of the DPF delete procedure involves physically removing the DPF system from the vehicle's exhaust stream. This process may vary depending on the make and model of your truck. It requires careful handling and technical precision to avoid causing any collateral damage to the surrounding components of your vehicle. Once the DPF system has been successfully removed, the next step is to reprogram the vehicle's computer system. This is to ensure that it continues to function efficiently without the DPF system in place. Reprogramming, also known as remapping, involves altering the software within the vehicle's electronic control unit, or ECU. This is a critical step in the DPF delete procedure, as it ensures that the vehicle's engine doesn't register any errors due to the absence of the DPF system. While the DPF delete procedure might seem like an attractive option for those seeking to boost their vehicle's performance, it's crucial to consider the potential legal and environmental implications. In many regions, tampering with or removing the DPF system is considered illegal due to the increased pollution that results from its absence. Moreover, the DPF system plays a significant role in reducing harmful emissions, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. In essence, the DPF delete procedure involves two main steps: the physical removal of the DPF system and the reprogramming of the vehicle's computer system. However, it's not a process to be undertaken without due consideration of its potential implications. Remember, while deleting the DPF system might increase performance, it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've discussed today. The diesel particulate filter, or DPF, plays a crucial role in reducing emissions by trapping soot particles produced during the combustion process. It's an eco-friendly part of your diesel truck, but it can sometimes cause performance issues. The DPF delete procedure, as we've outlined, involves bypassing or removing this filter. It's a complex process that includes modifying the vehicle's software and physically removing or replacing the DPF. This procedure can potentially improve fuel efficiency, power, and longevity of your engine. However, it's important to note that this process can have potential implications. It might be illegal in your area due to emissions standards regulations. Also, it can void your vehicle's warranty. To ensure you're making the right decision, it's crucial to seek professional advice. Experts can guide you through the legal and technical aspects of the procedure. Remember, the decision to delete your DPF system should be based on informed choices and understanding the implications. Stay educated, stay responsible.